Welcome to the Daily Synopsis. In today's news, Union Minister Narayan Rane has moved the Bombay High Court seeking quashing of the notices issued by the BMC pertaining to his residence at Adish Bungalow in Juhu, Mumbai. The petition will be heard by a bench of Justices A.A. Syed and Abhay Ahuja on March 22, 2022. The plea sought setting aside of the notices and orders issued by the designated BMC officer on grounds that they were perverse, illegal, and in violation of the petitioner's fundamental rights. Earlier this month, the BMC had asked Rane to remove unauthorized construction at his residence Adish Bungalow, failing which the building would be razed in 15 days. Senior advocate P. Wilson today urged the Supreme Court to continue hearing cases in virtual mode until the regional benches of the Supreme Court are established. Rajya Sabha member and senior lawyer P. Wilson has long been a staunch advocate for setting up of regional benches of the Supreme Court. He raised the issue in Rajya Sabha in 2019, saying that the move will improve the judge-to-population ratio in India. The Supreme Court on Monday disposed of a plea seeking the evacuation of Indian students from Ukraine after taking note of the fact that all the students had been brought back to India. Pertinently, a bench led by Chief Justice of India N.V. Ramana also took note of the submission made by Attorney General K.K. Venugopal that the central government was looking in as to how to ensure that the students' education does not get hampered. During an earlier hearing in the case, the Supreme Court had mused how it can give directions to stop the Russia-Ukraine war. It had then sought instructions from Attorney General K.K. Venugopal. A lawyer has written to the Registrar General of the Karnataka High Court seeking initiation of suo motu contempt of court action against at least 7 organizations, including Girls Islamic Organization Karnataka and Students Christian Movement of India, for making various statements against the judges and the court in relation to the Hijab verdict delivered earlier last week. The request was made by advocate Amrutesh NP, who alleged that the acts of the organizations, including their call for a Karnataka-wide bandh to protest against the verdict, were intended to scandalize the court, lower its authority, and obstruct the administration of justice. The Delhi High Court today refused to entertain a public interest litigation seeking the recovery of debt owed by Pakistan to India, which allegedly now amounts to around 1 trillion rupees. A bench of acting Chief Justice Vipin Sanghi and Justice Naveen Chawla held that this was a matter of government policy and that no writ of mandamus can be issued in this regard. The petitioner argued that Pakistan has been using the money given to it by the government of India to repeatedly attack India, and that countless Indian soldiers have lost their lives in the wars waged by the neighboring country.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon.